Grammarbook.com. Semicolons. It's no accident that a semicolon is a period atop a comma. Like commas, semicolons indicate an audible pause, slightly longer than a comma's, but short of a period's full stop. Semicolons have other functions too, but first, a caveat. Avoid the common mistake of using a semicolon to replace a colon. Incorrect. I have one goal: to find her. Correct. I have one goal: to find her. Rule 1A. A semicolon can replace a period if the writer wishes to narrow the gap between two closely linked sentences. Examples. Call me tomorrow. You can give me an answer then. We have paid our dues. We expect all the privileges listed in the contract. Rule 1B. Avoid a semicolon when a dependent clause comes before an independent clause. Incorrect. Although they tried, they failed. Correct. Although they tried, they failed. Rule 2. Use a semicolon before such words and terms as namely, however, therefore, that is, i.e., for example, e.g., for instance, etc., when they introduce a complete sentence. It is also preferable to use a comma after these words and terms. Example. Bring any 2 items. However, sleeping bags and tents are in short supply. Rule 3. Use a semicolon to separate units of a series when one or more of the units contain commas. Incorrect. The conference has people who have come from Moscow, Idaho, Springfield, California, Alamo, Tennessee, and other places as well. Note that with only commas, that sentence is hopeless. Correct. The conference has people who have come from Moscow, Idaho, Springfield, California, Alamo, Tennessee, and other places as well. Note that a semicolon rather than a comma after Tennessee is correct, because and other places as well also constitutes as a unit of the series. Correct. Dante Martinez, a registered nurse, Susan Brooks, a dietitian, and Shenling Ko, a physical therapist, attended the meeting. In this case, attended the meeting is not a unit of the series, and therefore is preceded only by a comma. Rule 4. A semicolon may be used between independent clauses joined by a connector, such as and, but, or, nor, etc., when one or more commas appear in the first clause. Example. When I finish here, and I will soon, I'll be glad to help you, and that is a promise I will keep. Rule 5. Do not capitalize ordinary words after a semicolon. Incorrect. I am here. You are over there. Correct. I am here. You are over there. Visit Grammarbook.com and try taking our quizzes.